Elevate your marketing game and transform your business by attending one of my exclusive Hypnotic Marketing Mastery workshops. We all face the same marketing hurdles, but I'm here to help you overcome them with powerful strategies that generate more leads, convert them into loyal customers, and create the thriving business and income you deserve. Think of marketing as the engine of your business vehicle. If it's not running smoothly, your journey to success will be slow and frustrating. These workshops are designed to be engaging, fun, and most importantly, effective. You'll walk away with real skills you can put into action immediately, making a real impact on your business right from day one. The workshop series is divided into 3 powerful sessions. I recommend starting with Workshop 1, Master Marketing to Get More Clients. Here, you'll learn to craft killer marketing strategies and plans that attract clients effortlessly. No more wasting time or struggling alone. We'll build your brand assets live during the workshop so you leave with everything you need to succeed. My workshops are held in several convenient locations around the world, but seats are limited due to the hands-on nature of the training. This is your chance to get personal guidance and connect with like-minded entrepreneurs who are just as driven as you are. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your business, passion, and career. Reserve your spot now and let's embark on this hypnotic marketing mastery journey together. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I can't wait to see you at the next workshop.